Szechuan beef with broccoli. A main dish from China. Serves 8. You will need 14 ingredients. Step 1. Dip greater than 1. Dissolve cornstarch in sherry, oyster sauce, water, and add red pepper flakes. Step 2. In wok or large skillet, heat oil over mid-high heat, add ginger and garlic. Step 3. Stir-fry 1 minute, add broccoli, stir-fry 3 minutes, add green pepper, celery, and Step 4. Green onions, stir-fry 3 minutes, make a well in wok, add cornstarch mixture. Step 5. Stir until thickened. Add meat and gently stir. Step 6. Use chicken broth if mixture's too thick. Serve with steamed rice. /div. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.